Hey guys, this term research has been thrown out a lot. So let's discuss or talk about what is research. So when you go down, this PowerPoint is uploaded on your D2L in week 3. Basically, research is a logical, systematic, in-depth investigation of a problem. So you have introduction, methodology, results, discussion. You're introducing the topic, but then you are also thinking about the topic. What is the method used? There's data collected. What method was used to analyze that data? That data is leading us to the results. The results are being compared to what the topic was about, and then there is a discussion that is happening. There are two major areas of research, types of research: quantitative and qualitative. Now we also have mixed methods in which both quantitative and qualitative are there. Quantitative deals with numbers, and for your purposes, for your paper purposes, you will have to look for some statistical information. So you will be concentrating on the quantitative research studies rather than qualitative. Qualitative is more about feelings and thinking about themes that emerge. You are looking at data aspect of it. For example, if I'm looking at test scores, the test scores are quantitative data sets. I can collect test scores from 2010 to 2020 and see a growth in students of a particular grade. That is the data for a quantitative study. Peer reviewed is very important. Peer reviewed journals basically means that when somebody submits an article to be published, it is viewed by or reviewed by experts in their field, by at least like 3 or 4 experts in the field. They provide feedback. They either say revisions, no revision, reject, accept, all of those things. So those are very important aspects of research. If you click on this link, you have a small video that opens up. What is a research article? What does a professor mean by a research article? So this is, I thought that would be a really great thing for you guys to watch. How do you do? We have the main one to do is look at the abstract. The abstract will tell you whether it is aligns with what you're looking for, type of methodology and things like that. Abstract, discussion, introduction, those are important. When you look at the statistical data of the paper, some of those things you may not understand, but that's okay. But you need that for this thing. Whatever you understand, you are going to be able to use for the argument analysis. Main points, take notes. You can take margin notes. What are the key findings from it? Is there something that stands out to you from the article? Once again, there is a video, a YouTube video, how to read
and comprehend scientific research article.
And that I think would really help you. These are short videos, I thought, that go very well in explaining about the research and all of those things. It talks about MSU CRAP test. There is a notes section on the PowerPoint that has this in detail, but CRAP test relates to currency. That means, is it recent, is it current, or is it very old? You don't want to look at a very old data set because that does not have any relevance. When we look at technology, everything changes, right? So that does not have any relevance. Relevant, whether that information relates to what you are writing, the content of it. Authority, who's the author, credentials, whether it is peer reviewed, whether it is published, or whether it is just an open source, because they do not have that, they've not been able to publish it. Purpose, whether it is biased, whether it is fact, whether it is opinion, whether it has data, what are the references, which article, which journal has it been, does it serve the purpose that you have? So this is what it is called a CRAP test, CRAP. And here is an article. Here is a video from the resource evaluation is my source. CRAP, CRAP, it says that. And then lastly, how are you doing your research? There is MSU databases, various links uploaded to support you, keywords, citations, APA, and I am going to actually show you this, which is also there in the README. Watch me first for this one. So if you look at this, the research links, how to log in remotely for the Moffat Library, how to use and find research guide, how to access the database. Interlibrary loan is a free service for all students and faculty from MSU to be able to get your articles. But you cannot put in a request on Saturday to have the article be delivered by Sunday. You get an email that says the article is available. You click on the email, log in, and then you can access it. You need to at least give interlibrary loan 3 days, 2 to 3 days. So do your research early on in the week. Do your research early on in the week so that you have the articles that you're looking for. And I am here to talk to you guys about discuss topics if you want to discuss topics. Look at the articles if you want to look at the articles and see whether they are research articles or not. Are they peer reviewed or not? Here it is again, how to write APA is very important, because this is not only important for this class, this is also going to be important for all other classes that you take at MSU. APA formatting is the formatting used to write papers in higher education. So here is the newest version of 7th edition student paper formatting, and then Purdue Online provides you a lot of help on writing APA. It's an online writing lab sort of a thing. This is all about what is research. Okay, you have questions, don't hesitate to post on the course question discussion board. I look forward to talking to you all.